Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a beautiful juicy chicken roulade, perfect roll stuffed with flavors. If you have ever wondered how to get the restaurant style look at home, this recipe will walk you through every step. So let's start with the boneless, skinless chicken breast. Make sure it's skinless. And we mostly use the chicken breast, not the thigh. Then gently butterflying it. This means that slicing it open, and it looks like a book. Yes, just like that. For the next step, let's cover it with a cling film because we're going to another step of pounding it. The reason why we are covering it up with a cling film, this is to ensure that our chicken breast, when we pound it, it just have an evenly spread and also avoiding to rupture the chicken. This ensures your roulade cooks evenly and rolls smoothly, and that's how we're doing it. You can use anything that is flat. Mine, I'm just using a rolling pin, an improvised version of it, and definitely just have a perfect one. So after that, we just unwrap it up. Yeah, you can see. Wow, this is perfect. No ruptures anywhere. So after that, we go to another next step of seasoning it. Now you can season it with salt and pepper. Yeah, salt and black pepper. We just want to give that natural flavor. So you do it both on each side. Then from this point, now we're going to the next step, filling and rolling. So ensure that the upper part stays at the bottom, and then let's put it on a cling film. Then now this is we have to get a little bit creative here. We're just using a sautéed spinach and some Parmesan cheese on it. Then after that, we're going for the filling. For the filling, you can choose any of your choice: spinach and cheese, mushroom, prosciutto and cheese, mushroom and herbs, or bacon wrap. Any of your choice. So from here, you just wrap it carefully and gently. Here you need to be very, very careful. Gently roll it up, just like the way you roll a sushi, you know? Yeah, careful. Exactly, that's how we roll the chicken roulade. Wow, what does it look like? Wow, perfect. You can see that. To make sure our chicken roulade is tight, let's roll it with the cling film on top of it and give it a second rolling. And this one is a tight one. The reason we're doing this, we have to ensure that it does not open while we are frying it. Yeah, so we just tighten it up slowly by using the cling filling to make it impacted. Exactly. Yeah, that's how we're rolling it up, guys. That's how it looks like. Then let's just take it in the fridge to soak the marinade. Perfect. Now it's time to unwrap it up. That's how easy it is to make a chicken roulade on its perfect version of it. Wow, very beautiful. Now you can see at the edge, it's trying to open up. So you can try to use toothpicks so that you can close the edges, or you can use a kitchen toy, but for us we're using the toothpicks. Just yeah, that's simple. So you make sure that the edges do not open. Yeah, there we go. That's easy, guys. That's how it looks like when it's already well closed. So heat some oil in a pan and sear the roulade on all sides until golden brown. The reason we are sealing it up so that we can remain, the juices in the chicken can remain intact. Yeah, that's cool. Then you can throw in your garlic and thyme to give that flavor to the sauce and to give the flavor even to the chicken. Perfect. Some you can, after searing up, you can transfer the roulade to a preheated oven at 100 degrees Celsius and bake it for around 20 to 25 minutes. But for us, we are just using the pan still. So after searing up, you can now reduce your heat so that it can cook slowly, because right now we are not put it in the oven. So slowly but slowly. Then after that, let's throw in our butter. Yeah, to get that extra touch and extra flavor of that chicken roulade. And this gives it a very good golden brown. Wow. Oh, which size does it look like? Perfect size, guys. After that is done, take it out. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Then let's just check it with our temperature. Let's ensure that our chicken is cooked well by using the temperature. Yeah, so you can see the juices over there. Ooh, drizzle the sauce. So in the same pan, let's fry our onion, garlic. After it's sweated up a little bit, you can add a little bit of flour. It's just normal wheat flour. Then let's add some stock to deglaze the pan. You can add some stock, you add some little bit of white wine if it's your favorite. You can add a vegetable stock, or if you don't have all, you can just add a little bit of water. So from that, you let it deglaze the pan to get that extra flavors from the pan. And then let's add a little bit of some lemon juice. Wow. If you have got some parsley, you can add more herbs. Then let's add our dark soy sauce for that extra umami in it. Wow, I love using soy sauce in such sauces. Then crack in our black pepper. Our fluffy mashed potato is already done. Wow, and our vegetable. Woo, look at that. Perfect vegetable. Those are carrots and some broccolis and some red cabbage on it. If you want to know more about this, I'll show you in the next video. Yeah, look at that. So let's throw in our butter. Let's saute our vegetables. Perfect. If you want to know how to maintain the color of this vegetable, guys, tune in the next video and show you how to do this vegetable perfectly. Wow. Add a little bit of salt, and there we go. That's your vegetables, guys. It is very important to let it rest your roulade or meat after frying it or after grilling it. This keeps the juices inside, making every bite tender and flavorful. This is the secret about how to make a good one. So perfect chicken there. We checked our temperature is good. Now it's time to slice it out. Wow, look at that. Guys, can you see that? Look at the fillings. Wow, perfect one. I can't wait to just look at the juices inside there. Wow, this is how to make a juicy chicken roulade. Look at the spinach, look at the cheese in it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. It's time to plate it up on a bed of mashed potatoes. Yeah, you just get the mash over there, and then let's play that. The chicken roulade. Look at the chicken rolls over there. The spinach, the golden brown. Ooh, come on, guys. I cannot wait to dine these, guys. Wow. And there you have it. Golden juicy chicken roulade that look as good as it tastes. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and share with your foodie friends. Until next time, keep cooking with passion and plating with style. For good food, good mood.